Used to be the city that never sleeps, lights so bright you'd never weep. Empire State, concrete jungle, dreamers came from far and deep. Now the mayor's got a new plan, socialist fever in his scan. Tax the rich, but the bill lands on every working man. Free buses? Yeah, we heard the pitch, but the fares still hit like a glitch. Childcare for all from 6 weeks to 5, but who's paying? You and I. 9.5 owned property, the state's taxed to 50G. From 7 mil down to 750. Kiss your grandma's house goodbye. Oh, this guy's running our once great state, empire crumbling at a socialist rate. Equity offices cashing in the millions, diversity chiefs getting their fillings, while the subways stink and the rents still climb. Welcome to Mamdani's New York Times. Yeah. Once great state,
now it's fate.
Taxed to death in the Empire State. Office of Racial Equity, 5.6 a year. Commission on the same, another 4.6 clear. DOA Chief Diversity Officer, salaries in the 6 figures high. FDNY got their inclusion boss, while the fires keep burning by. Civilian chiefs in every hall, bureaucrats standing tall. But the potholes grow, the cops get cut. Priorities, not at all. He promised free rides on every bus, universal care without the fuss. But the budget's bleeding red, so property taxes crush us. Estate tax to 50%, threshold slashed to the bone. Middle class dreams turn to dust, now we're all alone. Oh, this guy's running our once great state, empire crumbling at a socialist rate, pumping millions into equity dreams, while the city splits at the seams. Free stuff for some, but the rest pay the price in Mamdani's progressive paradise.
Yeah.
Once great state,
Now it's hate.
for the folks who built the Empire State. He came in rapping like Jada Kiss, talking change and immigrant bliss. But the promises fade like morning mist when the checks don't hit. No free buses rolling yet, no groceries city owned, just more offices, more hires, while the middle class gets owned. This guy's running our once great state, tax hikes, woke hires, endless debate. We voted for hope, got a budget choke. Now the city's broke and the dream's a joke. Empire State, what have you become?
Under Mamdani,
The shine is gone.
once great state.
Once great state, now it's just too late.